Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. This error is also known as Windows cannot be installed to this disk GPT, which often occurs during Windows installation on Windows 10.8.7. So what caused the Windows cannot be installed to this disk GPT partition style? Error on your PC? Let's go how to fix. Cause of the selected disk is of the GPT partition style error during Windows setup. You must choose to install Windows using the MBR or GPT partition style. Also, your hard drive partition style must be set up to support either UEFI mode or legacy mode. To fix this problem you must first exit Windows setup. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. It suggests that your computer is currently booted in legacy BIOS. To boot to UEFI, you need to check whether the firmware supports UEFI in BIOS and then change to it if the mode is available. Power on the system. Once you see the logo appears, press the BIOS key, be it escape button, delete, F1, F2, F10, F11, or F12 button to enter BIOS. Generally, the computer screen will show you what the BIOS key. Use the arrow key to select and enter the boot tab. Then press down arrow key to boot option 1 and see USB is selected and you select USB UEFI boot option. To select UEFI then press F10 key on your keyboard and save the changes and exit BIOS. Settings. After that, continue Windows installation setup. If there is no UEFI mode available, it means that your computer only allows for BIOS mode. In such a situation, you can only change GPT to MBR to fix the Windows cannot be installed to this disk error. This problem will no longer occur when installing Windows. See for yourself that this is no longer an error problem. If you follow my method and install Windows in this way, you will see no problem or error. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.